Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to enable and disable low data mode in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to enable and disable low data mode, then open settings and open main page of settings and then click on Wi-Fi and you can see the info icon, then click on it and now you can see the option low data mode. And if you want to enable low data mode, then simply turn this button on, and if you want to disable low data mode, then simply turn this button off. So this is the way to turn on or turn off, means enable and disable low data mode in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.